Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how captured parameters work with include method. So let's begin the topic. In Django, we have provision that an included URL configuration receive any captured parameters from the parent URL configuration. And these captured parameter will always be passed to every line in the included URL configuration regardless of whether the lines view actually accept those parameters as valid or not. Because of this, you should use this technique if you are assured that every view in the URL configuration that is included supports the parameter you are passing. So let's see an example to understand the concept clearly. So here I create a project with the name captured underscore parameter with an app inside it with the name my app. You all know that after creating an app, you have to install it first. So I open the settings.py file and here I include the name of my app inside the installed app list. After that, we have to define the urls.py file which is located inside the project directory. So here my project directory is captured underscore parameter and here I have a file with the name urls.py. So I open this file and here I write the code. So now I explain you this code. Here you can see that I provide a URL configuration that capture the username variable as expected. So this username variable is a captured parameter that will going to work with this include method, and in this include method includes the path of the myapp urls.py file. So after defining the project URL file, we need to map it with an URL file which is located in the app directory. So now I move to the app directory, name as my app, and inside it I have create a file with the name urls.py. So I open this file and here firstly I import the necessary libraries and then I define the path of the view. So here I define the path of the view name index and I remain the path as a blank. So after defining the URL, we need to define the logic for captured parameter work with include, and for this we have to move to the views.py file which is also located in the app directory. So I open this file and here I create the logic. So firstly I import the HTTP class which is located in the django.http method or a module, and here I create a view with the name index, and this view accept two arguments. The first one is request itself and the second one is the username variable that I defined in the urls.py file of the project. Then we simply return the value contained in the username right back to the browser with the help of the HTTP response class. So now I am going to execute this code. I type a command python manage.py run server and hit enter. So here I get the screen like this. So it firstly shows us the error 404 which means page not found. So it shows us we have a two correct path name as a admin and the second one is username / index /. So I am going to tell you how to pass the username. So firstly you have to click on your address bar, enter the slash, and now you have to pass the username. So I pass username as Jack459 and then I again enter the trailing slash and write it as index and end it with the slash also. So now I hit on the enter button. You can see that it shows the message on the screen, welcome to Python Guides Jack 495. This Jack 495 values came from this URL username. So I also show you what will happen if I change this username. Now I change this username from Jack to Eva and now I again hit enter. You can see that it changed the message, welcome to Python Guides Eva 499. So this means that the browser will receive whatever value present in the URL at the exact place after being recorded. So with this, we have learned how captured parameters work with include method, and in the next video, we will understand about cookies in Django.